Here's how to make ramen with frozen dumplings. First, fill your pot with about 550 milliliters of water. I'm a professional, so I just eyeball it. Then turn on the stove to medium heat. Open the ramen package and the veggie mix. Then add the soup base powder to the pot. You don't have to do this, but I always lick the inside of the soup base packet. Just testing the product. Next, give the water a stir to mix in the soup base and the veggies. Stir it occasionally as it heats up. I usually break the ramen in half, especially when I'm cooking it with the dumplings. It makes it easier to fit in the pot and it helps it cook evenly. I'll be using Bibigo mandu, beef and vegetable dumplings. Mandu means dumpling in Korean. Once the water comes to a boil, add the frozen dumplings. I usually add 4, but add as many as you want. The water will stop boiling once the dumplings go in. Science. Stir and rotate the dumplings until the water comes back to a boil. When it starts boiling again, add the dry ramen. Stir the noodles around until they begin to soften and cook. Right before the ramen is fully cooked, you can add an egg if you want. I usually crack one in and mix it thoroughly to get that egg drop soup texture. This part takes about a minute, definitely under 2 minutes. You can also double check that the dumplings are fully cooked. And that's how you make ramen with frozen dumplings. Thanks for watching, and until next time, do your best and I'll catch you on the next one.